this one first because we need to make sure the spring onion is dry. Therefore, after I chop it, I'm going to put on a tray, put in the fridge, and just to let the wind dry it. Usually it can be any fat, but today I'm just using vegetable oil and mixed a little bit of sesame oil in there, but to get the best flavor you can use like lard or something. And the hot water is very important, so make sure the water is boiling hot. Mix it until all the water is absorbed into the flour. You can see it's like fluffy like this. That means we can add the rest of the ingredients into it. Too soft, just keep adding flour over it. So you test with the clean hand, it doesn't stick.